Hello YouTube viewers. Today I'm here to talk about this little device. It is the Moza Mini S uh, handheld gimbal. If you're considering purchasing one of these, I gotta say it's a wonderful little device and tremendous value. Very well made. Allows you to get very steady footage. Your camera will follow whatever you point it at. It has also a little joystick here where you can control where it goes to, up, down, back, forth. It also comes with a free software that you can download from the Google Play Store that has a very nice camera in it, fully functional. It gives you shutter speeds, white balance, everything that you would expect from a DSLR camera, actually. Is it a good value at $75? I think absolutely, absolutely. It's very well constructed. It's paired with two different Samsung Galaxy phones that I've been using, and I took the initiative to add a little extension arm with a cold shoe on it so I can mount an external microphone. And with this device, you can get shots that used to cost like thousands of dollars by using cranes and trolleys and so forth. And now we can do this with a little handheld device. This is just my first impression on it. I'm going to do another video soon explaining all the details that this thing can do, along with the software details. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. And remember to like and subscribe, and check out my other videos here. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.